Good morning, all of you. Dear student, due to COVID-19, I am far from you. Today, I tell you about the central government. So, student, as you know that there are democracy find in India, and it is taken from the Britain as a parliamentary form. And today we will study about the central government. Student, as you know that in India there are the federal system found, and in federal system there are two type of government. First is central government and second is state government. In federal system, there are a system given that power and balance. Power and balance. It means power are divided in center or state, and it is given in the constitution. So, okay. So, constitution declare that the both central government have some powers and state government have some powers, and some powers are both government have. And if in this situation, what will the powerful? Central government. Why? As you know that there are three type of lists given in the constitution. First is union list. Second is state list, and third is concurrent list. In union list, power are related to central government, and in state list, power are related to state government, and in concurrent list, both have the make the laws, but more powerful is central government. If they have differences between about the concurrent list, the laws will be powerful about the central government. Okay. Today we will discuss about the central government. So, power and balancing. First, as you know that there are three type of the government include in the central government. First, three forms are include. First is executive body. Second is legislative. And third is judiciary. Okay. Executive, legislative and judiciary. Executive are two types. First is formal. Second is actual. It is like Britain, parliament. Informal we have take the President of India. It is the formal. because it is a rubber stamp. Powers are actually followed by the actual government, and in this, Prime Minister and Minister of Center Government. We can say in other words Cabinet Minister. Secondary is legislative. In legislative form, there are two types of governing body. First is lower house. Second is upper house. In other words, we can say lower house is Lok Sabha and upper house is state यूनियन और राज्यसभा, यूनियन ऑफ स्टेट और यूनियन ऑफ स्टेट और राज्यसभा. थर्ड इज जुडिशियरी. इन दिस सुप्रीम कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट and allied all the additional courts in it. There are power and balancing system also included in the executive, legislative and judiciary also about the constitution. Thank you.